Sometimes we need to test multiple conditions to make a decision. Logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions to make a complex condition. The operands of logical operator are not limited to just relational expressions. You can use any kind of expression or even constants. The result of a logical operation is either 1 or 0, that is true or false. Logical operators are commonly used in if condition or in loops. C language supports 3 logical operators: AND, OR and NOT. Suppose A equals to 1 and B equals to 0. First, logical AND. True only if all operands are true. Since A is 1 or true but B is 0 or false, the logical expression A and B returns false. Next, logical OR. True if either one or both of the operands are true. Since A is 1, the logical expression A or B returns true, even if B is 0 or false. Next, logical NOT. True only if the operand is false or 0. Here, A is true, so the logical expression not A returns false. As you observe, the AND and OR are binary operators, while NOT is a unary operator. Note that the operands of logical AND and logical OR expressions are evaluated from left to right. If the value of the first operand is sufficient to determine the result of the operation, the second operand is not evaluated. In case of logical AND, the second operand is not evaluated if the first operand is false. In case of logical OR, the second operand is not evaluated if first operand is true. This is called short circuit evaluation. Let's write a program to demonstrate the working of logical operators. Open code blocks and create a new empty file. Save it as s2_04.c. Write the purpose of the program as a comment. Program to demonstrate the working of logical operators in C. Include stdio.h header file. Hash include open close angular brackets, write stdio.h. Write the main function, int main open close parenthesis, void as a parameter, open close curly brace. Define 3 variables and declare a variable of type int. Int a equals to 5, comma b equals to 5, comma c equals to 10, comma result, semicolon. Check if a is equal to b and c is greater than a. Store the result of this logical expression in result. Result equals to a double equals to b in parenthesis and c greater than a, semicolon. Print result. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon. Within double quotes, I will just copy this part and paste here, and then I will give a colon and %d \n, comma result. Check if a is not equal to b and c is greater than a. Store the result. Result equals to a not equals to b and c greater than a, semicolon. Print the result. I will just copy this line and paste here. I will also copy the logical expression and paste here. Next, check if A is equal to B or C is greater than A. I'll just copy this line and paste here. Change AND to OR. Just copy the printf statement and paste here. And change this part to this one. Next, check if A is equal to B or C is less than A. I will just copy both the lines and paste here. Change this to less than. And also change here. Check if A is not equal to B or C is less than A. I will just paste the previous two lines. A is not equals to B in that case, or C less than A. Just copy and paste here. Finally, check if not A is not equal to B. Result equals to A not equals to B, not in front of this expression. Copy any printf statement and paste here. Just change this to that. Finally, signal the operating system everything works fine. Return 0 semicolon. Build and run the program or press shortcut key F9. In the first logical expression, both expressions A double equals to B and C greater than A are true, so it evaluates to true or 1. In the next expression, A not equals to B and C greater than A not equals to B is false, but C greater than A is true, so AND returns false. Next, in the expression A double equals to B or C greater than A, both A double equals to B and C greater than A are true, hence the expression returns true. Next, in the expression A double equals to B or C less than A double equals to B is true, but C less than A is false, and the logical expression returns true. Since in logical OR, if any one of the operand is true, the operation returns true. Next, in the expression A not equals to B or C less than A, both A not equals to B and C less than A are false, so the expression returns false. Now, since A not equals to B is false, the last expression, not A not equals to B, returns true. To recap, in this video, we learned about logical operators. There are 3 logical operators in C: AND, OR, and NOT. Logical AND returns true only if both of the operands are true. Logical OR returns true if either one or both of the operands are true. Logical NOT returns true only if the operand is false or 0. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.